Hi.
Hello, good afternoon.
Hi, good afternoon. Sorry, my name is Princess.
I'm Castro.
Nice to meet you. Can you see that guy? That short guy over there? Yeah, that's my ex-boyfriend. Don't mind him. See, I want to make him jealous. I want to make him regret breaking up with me.
So, what do you intend doing?
So I just want you to do a little favor for me. Just a little favor, eh?
Yes.
Can we act as boyfriend and girlfriend?
So, but hold on, you mean that...
Wait.
Sorry, you mean that guy over there broke up with you? Beautiful lady like you? That's his wickedness.
Don't mind him.
So you want us to act as boyfriend, right?
Yes.
So, you know, I've not done this before, but because of you, I will do it. I must do it.
Thank you.
That's wickedness.
Don't mind him.
So, how do we start? Is it by kissing or?
Just hold me. Just hold me
As
first.
good.
Let him get jealous.
No. So, where do we start from? You know what? I want you to pick expensive drinks.
Thank you.
Let me start.
I want that one.
Okay, this one is nice.
Yeah. You know what? Let's just laugh now so that I can see us happy together.
That was good, that was good.
You know what? Do you have some amount of money with you?
Like how much?
50k, 100k. I just want you to count the money if you have anything, so that and give it to me so that you get jealous. You know that my new baby has money.
Yes, I have. Let me.
Baby.
Be smiling. Okay, let you know.
No, just maybe.
Take everything. Smile.
I want that one too.
Okay.
Baby, you know what? Let me just go to this other side. There's something I'm looking for. It's not here. Let me go get it from the other side.
Go and pick it.
Baby! I'm coming. Nonsense.
Be fast, honey. Rubbish. Baby! Daddy is waiting for you. Baby! Where are you? Baby! Yeah!
Jesus is Lord!
Get this guy! Jesus! They don't drop me for Lagos! Yeah! Bros, please excuse me. Did you see one fair lady like that?
Lady.
Yes, sir. One fair lady now.
Oh, she just went out now.
Wait out!
Yes.
Wait out to here! Bros, you allow that lady to go out with my money?
Jesus!
Why will you allow her to go like that? Jesus, baby! Bros, you allow that girl to go. I'm finished, bros. Why you no go?
Count it fast. Why are you looking at me?
So we made a go see money. I go the open. This is 20,000.
Sabalo.
Eh?
20,000 out of 50,000.
This business is my own IQ. It's my idea. It's my creativity. That's why we're making this money.
I did it myself. I spoke to the guy myself. Give me 30,000.
Do you realize I'm your boyfriend?
And I'm your girlfriend, Sabalo. Give me 30,000. Give me 10,000. 5 verse now.
Take 2,000. Take 25, 25. 25, 25.
This thing you are doing, I don't like it too.
I'm not doing anything. I'm point of correction. Next time, don't owe any boy. I'm jealous. I'm a man. I will be holding that guy like that.
Story.
Sorry, my lady. Actually, my name is Sabalo. You see that lady over there? She's my ex-girlfriend. She actually broke up with me because I was broke. But now I thank God. I want you to do something for me. I don't know. Can we act like boyfriend and girlfriend just to make her jealous?
I feel for you, bro, but I can't. I'm in a haste. I just came here to pick up a few things for my mom.
No. I'm not going to take your time. Trust me, I'm not going to take your time. Okay, you know what? Take anything, I will pay.
You will pay.
I said I will pay. Take anything.
So wait, I'm free to take whatever I want here.
You are free. Just take it. I will pay.
Serious?
Yes. Please, thank you very much. Just take anything, okay? Sorry. Can I hold you?
Yes, you can.
I can. Hey. You don't like this? You like this?
No.
Oh. Hey.
I don't like cheap stores. Sorry.
Let's go towards the other side, eh?
Okay, wait. Let me get this.
Okay. Sorry, I'm coming. Let me pick up something. I'm coming.
Okay, don't waste time, please.
Sure. Hi, baby.
Oh, baby, don't worry, I'm coming.
Okay.
Okay, you can calculate my bill.
All right, madam. Your bill is 35,000 naira now.
Excuse me, sorry. 35 what?
25,000 naira.
No, you're not serious. What I bought here is not up to that amount.
Your boyfriend on suit, he bought something of 25.
Mr. Man, I don't have a boyfriend. I came here alone, please.
But he just waved at you just now.
Wait, though. You mean the guy on suit?
Yes, madam.
Yeah! Tell me you're not serious. Hey!
Oh. Hello. Hi. Hi.
Yeah, good morning.
Good morning.
Wow.
Hello.
Yes, how are you?
I'm fine. My name is Princess.
Okay, my name is Prince.
Nice to meet you.
Nice.
Please, can you turn to your left? Look at that guy standing there. That's my ex-boyfriend.
You mean that handsome guy is your ex-boyfriend?
Yeah, that's my ex-boyfriend. Are you here? Hello?
Yes, I'm with you.
Okay. So please, I want to make him jealous. I need him to pay for breaking up with me. So I just need a favor from you.
So, how can I help?
Can you act as my boyfriend just for now? Let's act as boyfriend and girlfriend so that I can get jealous.
No problem, I can do it.
Are you sure?
Yes, I can do
Okay.
it. No problem.
Okay, can you hug me?
Yeah. Let's go. Let's go inside.
Do you have some amount of money with you that you can count so that I can see them and get jealous that my new boyfriend has money?
What did you say? Sorry, I didn't hear you. What did you say?
I said, do you have some amount of money with you that you can bring out to count so that I can see the money that you, my new boyfriend, has money and he can get jealous?
Yes, I think I have some money with me. Wow, your ex-boyfriend is actually handsome.
No, don't worry, just give me, I'll count it myself.
You help me do the counting.
I'll do that for you, thank you.
All right, let's go inside. Let's quickly go
right.
inside. Sorry. Excuse me.
Huh?
Let me get something from the car. I'll meet you.
Okay,
just wait for me, eh?
Okay.
Ah! Ooh.
This is the money, oh.
See, that guy, if no be something for slap him. Can you see the way that guy was looking at me?
Which I was wondering, oh. He was just looking at you. I was talking to him, he was looking at you. He was saying something like, handsome. Come. Are you sure that guy is not?
Yes, I am.
Hey.
Whatever you're thinking, I am.
What?
See, I love your ex.
Jesus is Lord.
Give my money back.
No. You can keep the money. I don't need it. I just need you by my side.
Abi you dey mad?
I love you so much.
Are you okay? Yes. You love my boyfriend. Hey, God.
Don't leave me. Wait for me. Wait.